All right, in this video, we're going to make our second mount. Any one of these arms needs a mount on the other side. So we're going to work with the sketch that we have here for the servo mount, and then we're just going to kind of add to it. So if I go back to my servo mount, I'm going to change this just a little bit. Probably screwed up a little bit, but that's fine. And it will be the mount for the other side. So we can use this, the servo axle or axis, and it just extrudes straight along that thing. This is the danger of kind of working with, yeah, we messed that up, didn't we? That'll probably work just fine. And I think, in fact, let's kind of trim it a little bit too. Right, it doesn't need to be this whole thing, like from here to here. That looks pretty good. A little weird, but look good. Now if we do another extrude and turn that back on, we have two servo mount. That one and that one. And let's scooch it over a tad. And it doesn't need to be that big. Something like that. New. That makes it, oh, it's got some kind of tiny sliver missing. Let's try catching that. Don't know how we have a little sliver, but we got it. And that's our servo mount. We also need a non-servo arm. So we're going to just extrude off of our first arm. It's going to be pretty much the same, probably missing a couple of things. We don't need the holes for a motor. Let's get this out of the way too. Get it over there. Just out of the way, and it only needs to be like an eighth. And we don't need that. We don't need any of the holes, because again, this will not be attached to a servo. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh, there's a little weird little gap. Little offset there just for the servo horn to fit within. There you go. We can get rid of the motor holes, because there won't be a motor on this side. In fact, we're going to do a little bit of a change with our motor situation. There we go. We can put this all together. Let's go back over to our assemblies. We now have a non-servo mount. It's over in our, and there it goes. And a non-servo arm that I probably forgot the name. and cannot find. Somewhere. Let's get rid of this stuff. Let's go find our. What do we name this thing? Oh, it got added to the chassis. We don't want that. We want a new thing. And somehow it got added to into three separate pieces. So that's just great. Well, this one at least is our non-servo arm. And let's see how that looks over in the assembly. Now, how these all get assembled is a little bit weird. Because you do want them to work together. So we're going to try to mate these together. Can we flip? No. Let's try the other side. Not bad. That'll work up and down. And this guy, we're going to do, this is probably the wrong way. We'll just do a mate with the servo mount, and then we'll just do some math. Space it out correctly. You got it. You can do it. And then it's off by a couple inches, I think. Something in that neighborhood there. Now we've got something that looks like an arm. It's already a couple of issues creeping up that we will have to address. The hardware for all this, we're going to simplify a little bit. And also, I think we're going to need a little bit more room for the game piece to actually fall in here. But that'll be for the next one.